Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use the boomerang filter or effect on Instagram from the camera roll. For that you have to follow my instructions very carefully. First of all, go to your Instagram application. Then click the plus button from the middle. Go to the story option. Now you can see an option at the middle of the left side. It's like a twisted button. I'm gonna click it. This is the option of boomerang. If you click and record a video, you can see that the boomerang is created. Now from here you can edit the time, you can make it slow-mo or you can make it fast, anything you want. You can do that from that option. If you go to your gallery to upload a video and make that boomerang, you can see that at the upper portion, at the second place, the boomerang option is here. If you click this option, and you can also make this video a boomerang and you can share it to the Instagram. So that's all for today's video. If this tutorial helped you, like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.